Picture-in-picture PIP mode on Android lets you continue watching videos or using supported apps in a small floating window while you use other apps at the same time. It's especially useful when you want to chat, browse, or check something without stopping your video. To enable picture-in-picture mode on a Samsung Android phone, start by opening the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section controls all installed applications on your device. Next, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. On some One UI versions, you may instead see an option called Special App Access directly. Tap it to continue. Inside this menu, look for Picture-in-Picture and select it. This area shows all apps that support PIP functionality. Now you'll see a list of compatible apps such as YouTube, Google Maps, WhatsApp, video calls, or Netflix. Tap on the app you want to enable. After opening the app settings, simply toggle the switch to allow picture-in-picture. When the switch turns blue or active, it means PIP mode is successfully enabled for that app. Once enabled, you can test it by playing a video and pressing the home button. The video should automatically shrink into a small movable window on your screen. You can drag it around, pause it, or close it whenever you want. This feature makes multitasking smoother and more convenient, especially for users who often switch between apps throughout the day.